Hey friends, it's Andi, one of the speech language pathologists with the Yuma Union High School District. I wanted to do a quick little video demo of you guys of modeling our AAC core board. So here's the core board, and today we're going to read 10 Apples Up on Top by Dr. Seuss. Okay, 10 apples up on top. 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look, I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. 3. I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3. But I have 4. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good, I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. 5, 6, 7, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. And now see here, 8 on top. 8 apples up, not 1 will drop. 8, and we can skate. Look, now we can skate with 8. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. We can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We all are very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. 9 is very good, but then, come on, and we will make it 10. Look. 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Look out. I see a mop. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you one and all. Come on, come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. They will get them if we let them. We cannot let them get them. Look out, the mop. We cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop, not 1. Come on, come one, come all. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples up on top. All of this must stop. Now, all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Oh no. Look, 10 apples on us all. What fun. We will not let them fall. Okay guys, so if you notice during the story read along, I was not using every single word on this board. Sometimes I didn't even get all the high frequency words that were in the story on the board, but I was just cueing as I went along. I'm sure you noticed some pauses where I had to look for a word. All of that is normal. We do that in everyday life too. When I'm talking to someone, I may stop and pause to make sure I'm finding the right words. And it's helpful for the kids too to see that we're learning it with them. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Just model the words that you can think of, and it'll get easier as you use it more, but fun thing for you guys to do together. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us, and we look forward to creating more story times for you.